Good day, welcome to kingwilliamruleseverything. Today we're going to take a look at the Vilros. This is the Raspberry Pi 4 gaming kit. Kind of comes with some controllers, the Raspberry Pi. A neat case, I'm going to show you that, that's the best part. But here's the box. I already took the box apart. This isn't mine. My friend, he got this. It's like $70, $80, and it's the whole kit. And what you do is, it doesn't come with Retropie or anything that on there, the ROMs, because that's kind of illegal. It's just basically the kit. I think Noobs comes with it, maybe a couple Linux distributions on the little SD card, so you can kind of pick what you want to install. But it's mainly the kit to get you going. And I told him, set aside 4 to 6 hours, watch a lot of YouTube videos, setting up Retropie, getting everything set up. It's going to take quite a bit. It's not just dump and run. You can find some pre-made images, but he was having some difficulty, so he dropped it off here. But that's the box. And of course, it comes with a couple little manuals. Comes with the little card, little help card, a sticker, the manual, which is the best part. It's actually a really nice little manual. Get you going. Not kind of get you in details. Kind of shows you how to connect it, how to insert, remove SD cards. Very, very basic stuff. And then it came with this manual, Raspberry Pi Retro Gaming, quick guide to Raspberry Pi. And this is really nice. It's very colorful, very simple. Show you how to plug it in, turn it on. But it goes a little more detail, setting it up, hooking up the keyboard, installing the OS. I think there was some gaming in here. I think this may be where he was going. Raspberry Pi Retro Gaming Console, what you need, and kind of walks you through setting it up. But he really wanted Retropie, so I think he was kind of going through this, so he was a little confused. But really nice little kit. And of course, it comes with a couple controllers, and that's what this is really neat. Everything you need to do Raspberry Pi is in here except Raspberry Pi. And let's see. Oh, two branded Sega Genesis controllers. Really nice little controllers. Actually, I bought one of these. I didn't buy the Vilros one. I just bought a generic one. Because they'll be doing a lot of Super Nintendo, that kind of thing. Sega Genesis, those kind of games. And comes with the power supply, of course. Really nice little texture on it. And this is for Raspberry Pi 4, the USB-C. And for some odd reason, a branded Bluetooth, or I guess not Bluetooth, a little speaker. But it's kind of weird because it's not rechargeable, it just has a battery in it. But that was kind of like a freebie, so, you know, why not? $1 or $2 extra freebie. Then, let's get over here. We'll save the case for last. Spudgers and things like that. I'm not sure if this was part of it, but he had it in the box because it has Allen wrenches, all kinds of weird things. And of course, Noobs 3.3.1, so it's kind of neat, the card and the little reader so you can put in your computer and download an OS or something like that. Let's see what else we got here. The heat sinks, here we put those on. Of course, a sticker. And let's see. Oh, some more things, and I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. Some more manuals, a lot more manuals. A Raspberry Pi 4, Model B, safety guide, SNES. Let's see what else he's got in here. Style case. Oh, I gave it away. I might as well show you. SNES style case with fan, so that's kind of nice. That's got the fan built in. And I'll tell you what, this is a nice little case. I mean, it's got the fan holes on the top and little fake buttons. But we're actually a pretty heavy-duty case. Of course, here's where the card goes in. It's not spring-loaded like the Pi 3. And the HDMI cables, power cable, audio out, and on the side, USB 2 and 3, Ethernet, and that's it. And of course, Wi-Fi is built in. And the HDMI cable... here's his HDMI cable. It's got the mini to the normal HDMI. It's, of course, a Vilros branded, really nice little kit. And I'm going to install Retropie on here for him, and he can put his ROMs or whatever he wants. But this was mostly just to kind of show you what came in this kit. Kind of quite a lot of stuff. Everything you need to get going. You got controllers, power, SD card, everything. The HDMI cable. Of course, you got to remember these do use the smaller HDMI cables, the micro ones. So you just can't plug a normal HDMI cable. So don't lose your cable. But all in all, a nice little kit. And this was like maybe $70, $80. Wasn't a ton of money, but for what you get, really nice little setup for everything you could possibly want to get started. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's you guys. Have a great day.